स्वरान्तकं पुरान्तकं भवान्तकं मुखान्तकं गजान्तकान्तकान्तकं तमन्तकान्तकं भजे सृष्टिकार्यविकसित विरञ्चितत्वं स्थितिकारणपरिपालन श्रीधरतत्त्वं लयकर्षणानन्दमय महेश्वरतत्त्वम् एवं त्रिधा भासितनिर्मल शक्तितत्त्वम् उपास्महे शक्तितत्त्वम् उपास्महे शक्तितत्त्वम् उपास्महे
This is Sri Devi. Sri Devi is mute and she cannot, she's also auditorily challenged, she cannot hear. And it was her birthday yesterday. Another round of applause. That's a thank you to you. Sri Devi here was born in Bangalore and joined the Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled School in the year 2000. She has been keenly interested in dance and has been learning the same ever since. And she has completed her 2-year pre-university course and is now undergoing her graduation program in a college in Bangalore. She has been undergoing dance training for the last 10 years and has successfully participated in several events for the Samarthanam Trust across both India and abroad. Another big round of applause for beautiful Sri Devi. When my dance is done, I know how hard it is to get the children dressed up and for them to not listen to the song and to dance not missing a beat is like unbelievably challenging. Jai Sai Ram. Can I have the basket, raffle basket, please? We are continuing with the raffle. This is the third raffle of the day. And we have a youth volunteer.
My name is Tashvita.
He's going to draw the raffle without seeing. Is your name in there? No?
Shiva Kala, Shiva Babu,
Sri Kala. One
Shri
moment.
Kala, Shiva Babu.
Is there a Sri Kala? Please come up on stage. If you have not already done so, the raffle is real. Please go write your name. Big round of applause for Sri Kalaji. Thank you, both of you.
Now the kids are going to perform Chamundi dance in praise of goddess Durga, classical dance, and it's going to take 6 minutes, and it's Aigiri Nandini. Just a quick reminder about the donations. All the donations go towards Samarthanam Trust, and whatever you want to donate, please, we have a hundi in the front desk, so if you can donate there, that would be great. Thank you. Sign.
ನುತೆ ಗಿರಿವರ ವಿಂಧ್ಯತಿರೋಹಿಣಿ ವಾಸಿನಿ ವಿಷ್ಣು ವಿಲಾಸಿನಿ ಜಿಷ್ಣುನುತೆ ಭಗವತಿ ಕೇತತಿ ಕಂಠ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕುಟುಂಬಿನಿ ಭೂರಿ ಕೃತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕ ಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವವಳೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದವಳೇ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವವಳೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದವಳೇ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕರುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯುವವಳೇ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕರುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯುವವಳೇ ಕಂದ ದೀಪ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದವಳೇ ಕಂದ ದೀಪ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದವಳೇ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವವಳೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದವಳೇ ಸುರವರ ವರ್ಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಧರ ದಕ್ಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಮುಖಮರ್ಷಿಣಿ ಕರ್ಷರತೆ ತ್ರಿಭುವನ ಮೋಹಿನಿ ಶಂಕರ ತೋಷಿಣಿ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿತ ಮೋಹಿನಿ ಗೋಚರತೆ ಧನುಜನಿ ರೋಷಿಣಿ ದಿಗಿಕರ ರೋಷಿಣಿ ದುರ್ಮದ ತೋಷಿಣಿ ಸಿಂಧುತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕ ಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಭುವಿಯಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯ್ವಂತ ಭುವನೇಶ್ವರಿ ಪುರಜನರು ಪೂಜಿಸುವ ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅನುದಿನವೂ ಹೊಸ ಕಳೆಯ ಮಾಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ಅನುದಿನವೂ ಹೊಸ ಕಳೆಯ ಮಾಹೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಸಲಹುವ ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ವರಿ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಸಲಹುವ ಸರ್ವೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವವಳೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದವಳೇ ಐ ಜಗದಂಬ ಮದಂಬ ಕದಂಬ ವನಪ್ರಿಯವಾಸಿನಿ ಹಾಸರತೆ ಶಿಖರಿಶಿರೋಮಣಿ ತುಂಗ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಶೃಂಗ ನಿಜಾಲಯ ಮಧ್ಯಗತೆ ಮಧು ಮಧುರೇ ಮಧು ಕೈಟಭಗಂಜಿನಿ ಕೈಟಭಗಂಜಿನಿ ರಾಸರತೆ ಜಯ ಜಯ ಹೇ ಮಹಿಷಾಸುರಮರ್ದಿನಿ ರಮ್ಯಕ ಪರ್ದಿನಿ ಶೈಲಸುತೆ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯ ನೀಗಿಸುವ ಜ್ಯೋತೀಶ್ವರಿ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹರುಷಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ಕತ್ತಲೆಯ ನೀಗಿಸುವ ಜ್ಯೋತೀಶ್ವರಿ ಜಗಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹರುಷಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಜಗದೀಶ್ವರಿ ಚಿಂತೆಗಳ ಪರಿಹರಿಸೋ ಕಾಳೀಶ್ವರಿ ಚಿಂತೆಗಳ ಪರಿಹರಿಸೋ ಕಾಳೀಶ್ವರಿ ಚರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ರಮಿಸುವನ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ರಮಿಸುವನ ರಾಜೇಶ್ವರಿ ಚಾಮುಂಡಿ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಸಿರುವವಳೇ ಮೈಸೂರು ನಗರವನ್ನು ತೊರೆದವಳೇ ಭಕ್ತರನ್ನು ಕರುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯುವವಳೇ ಕಂದ ದೀಪ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದವಳೇ ಕಂದ ದೀಪ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದವಳೇ ಕಂದ ದೀಪ ಎಂದು ಕರೆದವಳೇ
One more round of applause, please. Thank you. Let me introduce Usha. Usha is born in Shimoga and lived there with her parents and studied in the Sharada Devi School for the Blind. She moved to Bangalore after completing her 10th grade. She joined the Samarthanam Trust and completed her 12th grade. Now she is doing her Bachelor in Arts from the Maharani College. She is undergoing training in dance for the past 7 years. She has successfully represented Samarthanam Trust in several performances both in India and abroad. Can we have the raffle basket, please? Raffle basket. Okay.
It's time for the raffle. I wouldn't leave if I were you.
Hello, my name is Santi. Hello, my name is Santi.
Sandy is going to draw the fourth raffle of the day. Did you include your name?
Nagavalli.
Do we have a Nagavalli? See, we told you this is for real. If you're not here, then we have to pick another name. Nagavalli, are you here? This Nagavalli. Okay, let's go. We're going to do another draw.
Akila R.
Akila ji, can you please come up on stage? Congratulations, Akila ji. She's one of our SSP volunteer teachers. Thank you, Sandy. Meena? A quick reminder, if you would like to make any kind of donation today within the MR for this program, that will go to the Samarthanam Trust. So if you want to do any kind of donations, please kindly do so. There is a donation box. And if you're writing a check, kindly make it out to Shirdi Sai Parivar, and SSP will be making a check out to them, to Samarthanam Trust. Thank you.
So the next program is Dol Baje, Rajasthani folk dance. It's going to take 6 minutes, but the artists are changing the dress. So just give them 2 more minutes, they'll be here. Sairam, thank you everyone.
Appreciate waiting as the dancers are getting ready. We have the twins here, Katya and Mahi.
Mahi, Katya,
They're going to sing Shirdi Sai Bhajan.
Gopala, Radhe Lola, Gopala, Radhe Lola, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Keshava Madhava Janardana, Keshava Madhava Janardana, Vanamala Vrindavana Bala, Vanamala Vrindavana Bala, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Gopala, Radhe Lola, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Keshava Madhava Janardana, Keshava Madhava Janardana, Vanamala Vrindavana Bala, Vanamala Vrindavana Bala, Murali Lola, Nandalala, Jai Murali Lola, Nandalala, Gopala, Radhe Lola.
A big round of applause. Thank you so much. That was so beautiful. And we have youth and children bhajan classes here. It's for free here every Thursday in Shirdi Sai Parivar. Please look up our website shirdisaiparivar.org to find out more details about our classes and upcoming events. Looks like we have time for one more song. Any volunteers? Come.
My name is Tashita. My name is Ritu. Ananda Sagara Muralidhara, Ananda Sagara Muralidhara, Veera Prabhu Radhe Shyama Venugopala, Veera Prabhu Radhe Shyama Venugopala, Nanda Yashoda, Ananda Kishora, Nanda Yashoda, Ananda Kishora, Jai Jai Gokula Bala, Jai Venugopala, Jai Jai Gokula Bala, Jai Sai Gopala, Ananda Sagara Muralidhara, Veera Prabhu Radhe Shyama Venugopala, Nanda Yashoda, Ananda Kishora, Jai Jai Gokula Bala, Jai Venugopala, Jai Jai Gokula Bala, Jai Sai Gopala, Ananda Sagara Muralidhara.
Beautiful. They are our SSP youth volunteers and they are involved here with the Sandwich Seva that they all pitch in and make for the homeless shelters as part of our charity team events program. It looks like the folk dancers are still getting ready and we have a volunteer. Together? Yes. You want to join them? Find a pair.
Shriyata, Shatuja, Jaya Guru Omkara.